Hey, welcome to Perth Backyard Veg. Today we're going to show you how to build this super easy chicken watering system. So our previous watering system is this teeny tiny guy here. It's super awkward to fill up, the chickens find it hard to drink out of, and it doesn't hold nearly enough water. We've been trialing some new chicken watering designs and we have found the perfect one. So here we have two different types of attachments. We have a automatically refilling cup and we have the nipple design here. Our chickens really like this design. I think because they're ex-battery, they're used to pecking on this, but unfortunately the ones that we've bought in multiple of our trials end up leaking and it just ruins the whole design. Whereas this one here, they will still drink out of, and it has this little fastening bit at the back as well as a rubber washer that seems to seal it in, and we don't get any leaking issues. Here's what we're going to need to build this chicken watering system. We've got a 20-litre plastic bucket with lid. It's a food grade plastic, so it'll be safe for our chickens' water. We've got two of the cup attachments here, the drill and the 8mm drill bit, and then a handheld vacuum to get rid of any of these small bits of plastic that will fall into the bucket. Now that's optional, you could just empty it out and give it a good wipe out, but I find it a bit easy with the handheld vacuum. But I want this to be the front of the bucket so that we have the option to hang the bucket if we want to. But then also when we build our new chicken coop, which will be in a future video, when we build the new chicken coop, we've got a little stand for this to sit on. So I want them to be fairly close together due to the design of our coop and where this is going to be sitting. But obviously, based on your own setup and personal preference, your placement of these cups will vary. You may want to put them close together like we've got, all ones on alternating sides to make it less crowded for your chickens. So in our trials, we used a smaller bucket than this, and we also put these cups closer to the bottom. But that meant that we couldn't ever put it down on a flat surface. It had to overhang or it had to suspend from the handle. It also meant that when the water emptied in the bucket, the weight of these would tip the bucket forward and make it on a weird angle. That might not happen with a larger bucket, but I'm still going to set these off the base a little bit so that we've got the flexibility of placing this wherever we like, and we hopefully won't have any of those issues again. Again, it's going to be up to you. It will mean that some water will stay in there even when the cups are no longer filling up. By doing it this way, it means that there will be water left at the bottom that won't drain out into the cups. However, you can tip that into your garden when you're refilling up your bucket and there'll be no issues. Alright, so I've just lined up where I want these cups to sit and made two markings, and now I'm going to use my 8mm drill bit to drill the holes for these cups to sit through. So I've got the first one screwed in there. It's a pretty snug fit already, but it does have this little back nut, so we're going to put that on. And then we'll get the second one in. So just undo this. Now this is going to be a very tight fit, but that's good. That's what you want. You're going to give it a bit of pressure as you push down, and then normally twist it back and forth a little bit, and then you're going to start rotating it clockwise. And then this little nut just goes on the back now. And then we have it. We just need to give this a bit of a clean out now, and then we'll be ready to hang it and have the girls start drinking from it. Alright, and that's it all cleaned up and filled up and ready to go. Something you just need to be aware of with this design is that in order for the cups to automatically fill, you need to either have a hole in the top somewhere or for the lid to be slightly ajar. You don't want to create a vacuum system, otherwise it won't be able to fill up the cups. Something we are thinking about doing when we set up a rain collection system for the chickens is putting a screen opening in the top, and then that will allow the water to pass through into the bucket, but also to have that opening so that the water is able to flow freely into the cups. Just by not fully closing the lid like this, just letting it sit on there, we've had success with our other trial designs as well. If you are wanting to push this lid firmly shut though, then you just need to drill a hole in the side somewhere or in the lid itself. I hope that you found this video helpful and that you're going to give this water system a try and ditch the tiny annoying chicken watering system. Don't forget we have some other chicken related content coming up on our channel, so subscribe so you don't miss any of that and use that little bell notification as well. If you have any questions in the meantime though, stick them down in the comment section. We'll try our best to answer them. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye!